Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you have admin access and the right SIM or ESIM controls. This prevents soft locks. Once done, inspect the current operator, signal bars, and whether a VPN or carrier profile is active, because those affect routing. Make sure to save active sessions and note assigned IPs and any apps that require persistent connections. This avoids surprise disconnects. Now open network settings and locate the mobile or Wi-Fi panel. We move immediately to change modes and profiles. You now select the target profile, a new carrier, APN, or Wi-Fi SSID, and apply it. As you switch, update APN and DNS to match the network's requirements and set proxy or VPN rules so traffic flows correctly. This prevents captive portal deadlocks. Also toggle IP4 versus IP6 according to compatibility, since mismatch can break services. Once routing is adjusted, restart the radio or reconnect to the SSID, so the device negotiates fresh addresses and routes. You finish by validating connectivity. Ping the gateway, load critical apps, and confirm DNS resolves needed hosts. This shows the change worked. If something fails, apply your rollback, restore saved profiles, or switch back to the previous operator to resume service. Make sure to reboot the radio or device, clear DNS cache, and re-authenticate any captive portals if needed, because many issues resolve after renegotiation. If persistent errors occur, check SIM provisioning with the carrier next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.